Hi, I'm dog Vortex Monster Tiger, and today I'm gonna suck people into the vacuum cleaner. Ha 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 ha. Stand back, because I'm gonna suck you into the vacuum cleaner. No 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 no. Stand back. I'm going to suck you to the vacuum cleaner. No 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 no. Step back. I'm going to suck it into the vacuum cleaner. No 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 no. Start back. I'm going to suck it until fucking clear. No 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 no. Yes, I suck people into the vacuum clear. Now what should I do next? Don't tell me you suck people to the vacuum clear, because I know you said sucking people to the vacuum clear. I saw you sucking people to the vacuum clear. Yes, I was sitting sucking people to the vacuum clear. Oh my freaking gosh! I cannot believe you sucking people in the vacuum clear. That's it. Give me the vacuum clear right now, or I'll do it. No, then you let me no choice. I will suck people to the vacuum clear myself. I call your parents. No 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 no. Now go home right now while I'll call your parents. Hello, it is Doc Photos with Suckers Paris. Guess what your son did? Your son was sucking people in a vacuum cleaner. Can you please grow on him? Okay, thanks. Goodbye. Doc Vortex Monster Tiger. I cannot believe you're sucking people in a vacuum cleaner. That's it. You are grinding forever. As for your punishment, I will suck you into the fucking clear to see how you like it. No, Dad. Please don't suck me into the fucking clear. I'm sorry for sucking people into the fucking clear. Apology tonight. I will suck you into the fucking clear right now. That would teach that naughty troublemaker to suck people into the fucking cleaner.